Hi friends, you're welcome to Cooking and Gardening Diaries. Today I will be talking about cinnamon in garden and why the plants they love cinnamon. Cinnamon is a wonderful flavored spice we have in our kitchen, we all know. It carries many health benefits if used in food, but do you know it can be useful in garden as it is in kitchen? Let's discuss the benefits of cinnamon on the plants. Cinnamon for pests. The strong smell of cinnamon keeps mosquitoes and many other bugs away from your garden. You can soak cinnamon in water for 7 days and use the water to spray on the foliage, and you can sprinkle cinnamon powder on plants or on the soil. The smell of cinnamon will hit the insect's nose and they will not love the place anymore. Especially ants do not like cinnamon smell and don't like to walk over where cinnamon powder lays. Spraying cinnamon will allow you to sit and enjoy your garden even at night in peace. Also, if you dust cinnamon along the outside of the garden, rabbit, squirrels, moles, and small critters will walk through the cinnamon. They will get it on the face and they may breathe it in. Cinnamon will irritate the mucous membrane of their nose and mouth without causing any harm, and the furry pest will not like to visit the same place again. Cinnamon as a rooting hormone. It is a best organic rooting hormone, just a single application on the cut end of the stem when you are planting the stem. It stimulates the root growth in almost every plant variety. When I use cinnamon as a rooting hormone, I sprinkle it on a tissue paper and I put the stem on the tissue paper and wrap the cut end of the stem with the tissue paper, and I plant the stem along with the tissue paper in a fresh potting soil. When you are using cinnamon as a homemade rooting hormone, it's better to choose the powder form of a cinnamon and not a solid stick. Make sure the stem is a little wet so that the cinnamon can stick to it. Coat the end of the stem in the cinnamon properly from all the sides. Now you can wait for the growth. Try not to disturb the planted stem at all. Cinnamon fungicide control. Like sulfur, cinnamon is a natural fungicide. You can control fungal diseases in a plant by spraying cinnamon water on plants. Also spray it on the stems and leaves of affected plant and mix the potting soil in plant that have a mushroom problem. It is gonna kill the fungal spores in the soil and prevents them from infecting your plant. Cinnamon protects the seedlings from diseases. Since cinnamon has antifungal properties, if you dust the soil of seedlings with cinnamon, it will prevent dampening of covers a range of diseases that attack a seedlings either before or after germination and cause the seedling to die. Cinnamon heals a sick wounded plant. Try applying cinnamon paste on the plant that has a wound, and if you apply it on the wound, it will speed up the healing process and protect it from the further damage or diseases. Cinnamon kills the mold in soil. Cinnamon gets rid of molds and mildew in houseplants. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on the soil. It also gets rid of those little fungus gnats that somehow appear around seedling pot. Cinnamon kills the fungus they feed on. Cinnamon has all the beneficial elements a plant needs to grow. It has iron, calcium, manganese, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. You just need to make a cinnamon concentration and spray it every day on your plants. How to make the concentration? Just take 1 glass of water and take cinnamon powder. In 1 glass of water, you can add half a spoon of cinnamon powder in it and keep it for at least 2 3 days. After 2 3 days, you can spray this water on your soil, on your plants, everywhere you wish to. The cinnamon concentration I use on my plant is basically made of cinnamon sticks. I crush the sticks in a Ziploc bag or whatever the convenient source, and I one stick I crush, and I after crushing I just soak it in water for at least 4 to 5 days before using it on plants, and this water is even effective than the powdered water. So, if possible, you can also make this concentration at your home and use it on your plants. Your plants will remain healthy, they won't attract to any disease, and I bet you that all the bugs and ants and mosquitoes will stay away, remain from your plants, especially your edible plants, just to keep them healthy. Not we all want to spray any chemical on our plants, which is neither good for their health and nor for us. Hence, keep spraying the cinnamon concentration on your plants and keep them away from all the diseases. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. We'll see you again soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.